guys, Miss Whitlock here, trying out the Periscope app. I'm also going to try to save this to YouTube. The app is free and the videos work much better, I found out, if you have the app to play them. If we can get the hang of all of this, then we'll start doing some live broadcasts more often where we can have a question and answer session during the broadcast. I'm going to be sharing with you again addition strategies that your children are learning while they're in math. So you and I learned addition using the standard algorithm. For each strategy, I'm going to use the same numbers so you can see the differences. So 196 plus 257. Okay, with the standard algorithm, we're going to add our ones first. 6 plus 7 equals 13. So we're going to keep 3 ones and trade 10 ones for 1 10. 1 10 plus 9 tens plus 5 tens gives me 15 tens. Going to keep 5 tens and trade 10 of them for 100. 100 plus 100 plus 200 is 400. So my sum is 453. Why the standard algorithm is hard sometimes for my students or your children is they cannot explain what these trades are up top. That's where these strategies come in hand. First, I'll show you adding on the number line. You can pick either add-in. I'm going to start with 257. So I'm going to draw my number line. I'm going to start at 257. And basically, I'm going to be breaking apart the other add-in. So I can do it in either order. I can start with my ones or my hundreds. I'm going to start with my hundreds, so my first jump is going to be large. All right, so plus 100. I'm getting that from 196. If I add 100 to 257, I'm at 357. So I've added my hundreds. Now I need to add my tens. I have 9 tens, which is almost an equal jump because 9 tens has a value of 90. So when I add 90 to 357, I'm at 447. So last I need to add my ones. So my little jump, when I add 6 ones, now I am at 453. The same sum we got with standard algorithm. Another strategy, which follows right along with the number line, is break apart one number. Again, our add-ins are 196 plus 257. If I'm going to break apart, I'm going to break apart 196 like I did on the number line. So I'm going to start with 257. I'm going to add the 100 from 196. I'm at 357. From 357, now I'm going to add my tens. I had 9 tens, so that's a value of 90. That brings me to 447. I take 447 and I'm going to add my ones. I have 6 ones. So when I add my 6 ones, again, I end with my final sum, 453. All right. Another strategy I want to show you is adding by place value. This one is my favorite strategy because it allows them to do their trades as they're working it out. So 196 plus 257. Adding by place value means I'm going to add all my hundreds together, my tens together, my ones together. So 100 plus 200 equals 300. 90 plus 50 equals 140. And then 6 ones plus 7 ones equals 13. You can see that I still added 196, 257. So now I'm going to add up my individual place value sums. 3 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds. I still get a sum of 453. Once the kids are used to their steps, they can rewrite adding by place value where it models the standard algorithm. So I'm going to write 196 plus 257. Still going to add my place value, so this is going to look a little bit different. I'm going to add my hundreds. 100 plus 200, that gives me 300. Now I'm going to add my tens. 9 tens plus 5 tens. That's 14 tens, so it has a value of 140. Now I'm going to add my ones. 6 ones plus 7 ones. That's 13 ones. Okay, this, I'm going to zoom out just a minute, is the same as above. It's just not listing each individual step. It is okay for them to use either version, whichever they are comfortable and successful at. That's what we want them to do. So total up my sum, 3 ones, 5 tens, and 4 hundreds. Again, the same sum, 453. These are the addition strategies that we're using in class. I hope that this helps you out, and I hope that these videos can be something that we do throughout the year to help close the gap between school and home so you can hear math vocabulary and see styles of teaching that we're using in class. Thanks so much for tuning in, and have a great night.